Today is National Fossil Day. What are fossils? Fossils are a way for us to see what creatures and plants looked like in the past. A mold fossil is a type of fossil made by the imprint of bones or feathers of an animal. Today we'll make our own mold fossils. You just need some type of clay or dough, tiny toy dinosaurs, paint, and a paintbrush. Today I'm going to be using Model Magic clay. First, roll it into a ball and press it down to about the thickness of a cookie. Next, press a small toy dinosaur into the dough. Remove the dinosaur carefully. Let it dry, then paint it, and you've made your own mold fossil. Another type of fossil is called an intact fossil. Amber, which comes from trees, can harden around things like bones, feathers, and teeth, preserving them for a very long time. For this craft, you need white cardstock, coloring supplies, scissors, Mod Podge, and these flat gems that you can buy at craft stores and people often use in flower vases. You'll start out by either drawing or printing out a picture of a bug, a feather, a seashell, whatever it is you want to fossilize on your white cardstock. Trace around your gem with a pencil to make sure the image is small enough to fit inside the stone. Use light brown, orange, and yellow colored pencils to color the circle to give it that amber look. Next, cut out your circles. Add Mod Podge onto the image and place the gem on top. Let it dry, trying not to shift the stone or it might smear. You could also use regular liquid glue, but the image came out clearer when I used Mod Podge. And just like that, you have your very own Jurassic-inspired amber stone. My favorite dinosaur is the Stegosaurus. What's yours? Share your answer in the comments, and we'll see you next time.